If you thought today's tech was cool, smartphone photos that rival SLRs, 75-inch 4K TVs, and smart speakers that let you play one of 40 million songs just by asking for it, wait till you get a load of what's to come next year. 2019 will likely see no shortage of great gadgets and gear worth getting excited about. Hey everyone, welcome to Gear Up, the Watch Mojo series that looks at the latest in tech trends, and sometimes we look to the future as we are today. I'm Mark Saltzman, and in this video, we take a peek at what to expect over the coming months, including products we'll likely see debut at the Consumer Electronics Show in Vegas to kick off the new year.
Before we begin, we publish new content every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos.
Not listed in any particular order. Number 1, Samsung's Galaxy X foldable phone. While a few companies will have foldable phones that essentially turn the device into a big screen tablet when unfolded, Samsung, the world's number 1 smartphone maker, is expected to debut its so-called Galaxy X or Samsung Galaxy Flex, depending on whom you ask, at some point early in 2019. Whatever you call it, this first foldable Galaxy device will sport a 4.5-inch display when closed and then folds out to a tablet-style 7.3-inch OLED screen. I can see many applications for a device like this, so hopefully it'll be as innovative as it sounds. Number 2, Y-Charge. Right now, wireless charging means that you need to place your phone down on a mat in order for it to charge up without needing a cable. But what if you could just have it on your kitchen counter or say a night table, or maybe at a coffee shop, and it just starts charging up then and there, wirelessly? That's the idea behind Y-Charge, an Israeli technology that you'll likely hear more about in the coming months. It charges up devices without needing them to be lying on a charging mat. It uses a transmitter elsewhere in the room using infrared light to transmit power to the battery inside the device. It is said to be safe as well. Number 3, Oculus Quest. Oculus VR's next headset is officially called Oculus Quest, and it's slated for a spring 2019 release for about $399. Not only is it a standalone VR headset, meaning you don't need to plug it into a PC, console, or snap a smartphone into it, but it's got an impressive display resolution of 1600 by 1440 per eye and has 64 gigs of internal storage to hold downloadable apps. Plus, it's got expandable memory and uses 4 ultra-wide angle sensors to assess your movement. On the content side, Oculus Quest should ship with more than 50 titles. Along with virtual reality or VR, expect more augmented reality or AR in the coming year as well. Number 4, Smell-O-Vision with VR. Wait, what? That's right, in case virtual reality isn't immersive enough for you, by folding in 360-degree vision with head tracking, spatialized audio, and haptic feedback vibrations tied to touch, 2019 may be the year you also smell your content in VR. From a company called Vaxo VR, it's a small scent device that uses a Velcro strap that can be used with any head-mounted display, and you can place up to 5 different scent cartridges that each last up to a month. The Vaxo VR device can be connected wirelessly through Bluetooth or via USB. Okay, the idea does seem ridiculous, but I'd be lying if I said I didn't want to give it a go.
It's just surprising. I'm not used to smelling stuff.
Number 5, smarter electric cars. The hit vehicles at the LA Auto Show in late November are tech marvels. The 2020 Rivian R1T and R1S concept cars are being billed as the world's first electric adventure vehicles, which give you upwards of 400 miles of range. That's from San Francisco to Yosemite and back, with its quad motor system for superior control on-road and way off-road, weighting depth of up to 3 feet, and up to 11,000 pounds of tow rating, seating for up to 7 people in one of these models. So we're talking 0 to 60 in 3 seconds with 0 emissions and a ton of cool tech features. Of course, you can expect to see more innovations in 2019 tied to self-driving or autonomous cars as well. Number 6, 5G is coming. As you may or may not have heard, 5G or 5th generation cellular wireless technology is expected to be 100 times faster than the speed of LTE or 4G. Look, I'll believe it when I see it, but still, now that the infrastructure is built and carriers are continuing its testing, we're hearing it is ridiculously fast, to the point that people may not need Wi-Fi in their home anymore. The Sprint 5G network, for example, is still due to go live in the first half of 2019, with 9 cities, including New York, LA, and Phoenix, as examples, and many smartphone makers are readying their 5G supported products as well. Number 7, AI goes mainstream. Google's Duplex technology is a crazy smart and realistic AI platform that can call and make restaurant reservations for you.
Hi, I'd like to reserve a table for Wednesday the 7th.
Yes, that guy's voice you heard isn't a human at all, even down to the ums and ahs. And you can expect Google Duplex rolled into devices in 2019, like Google's own Pixel phones, Google Home, and maybe the next-gen Pixel Book.
I'm looking for something on May 3rd. Sure, give me 1 second.
This controversial technology is meant to make our life easier, as we can have AI handle things like reservations and appointments, as you heard, but that's just scratching the surface of where this AI tech can go. Number 8, virtual newscasters. On a related note, have you seen China's newest broadcaster? He isn't real, but he sure looks it.
The development of the media industry calls for continuous innovation.
This virtual TV anchor has joined the state-run Xinhua Chinese news agency. Powered by AI, the new anchor learns from live broadcasting videos. He's fed news stories by someone, but he can tweak his intonation and facial expressions, and soon be fed just the facts, and he can draft his own report for you, truly utilizing artificial intelligence. Yes, we should all be worried about AI replacing our jobs in some way, shape, or form, but not quite yet. They are, however, able to work 24/7, and they don't take a sick day, unless there's a computer virus, of course. Number 9, LG's OLED TVs for 2019. LG recently confirmed in a blog post it has developed a new processor for its high-end OLED televisions called the Alpha 9 Gen 2. And this chip is set to power the company's 2019 OLED TVs that we'll catch a glimpse of at CES in January. According to LG, this processor will deliver images that are more true to life than ever and offer improved color, sharpness, and depth. Now, this kind of language is to be expected by TV makers every year, but apparently the A9 Gen 2 chip is capable of delivering this 4-step noise reduction process. It's aimed at eliminating artifacts and other problems in a picture to deliver a cleaner look. And number 10, computational surfaces. While they may debut in 2019, it might be more of a 2020 thing. That's computational surfaces, or surface computing. We're not talking touchscreen LCD or LED screens here, but rather paper-thin, transparent OLED panels with touch support. These can be on mirrors, walls, and windows, all connected to Wi-Fi or 5G, and with many computational abilities, like delivering 3D graphics. Think Minority Report, if you will. And applications that range from commercial and residential to retail and industrial, automotive, and educational. Hey, thanks for watching Gear Up. I'm Mark Saltzman. Let us know what you'd like to see more of going forward on Gear Up in 2019. And for more tech-tastic lists, be sure to subscribe to Watch Mojo. Ciao for now.
Do you agree with our picks? Check out these other great clips from Watch Mojo, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.